Here we've got Cubot Power, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down a bit and go to display. Here you will notice Wallpaper tab, simply open it, and it's time to pick the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be either one from your photos or one from the system wallpapers, and I will pick the second option. And here, as you can see, you've got the possibilities. Let me pick, for example, this one and click on Set Wallpaper. Finally, you have to decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them. So I will pick both of them, home and lock screen. So from now on, as you can see, your brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen of your Cubot Power. And that's it. This is how you can easily and quickly change wallpaper in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.